नमस्कार, आर्ट न्यूज 24 HD मध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. तालुका उमरी, जिल्हा नांदेड येथील विशेष बातमी. मुख्यमंत्री आपली शाळा सुंदर शाळा अभियान मॉडर्न स्कूलला पहिले बक्षीस. महाराष्ट्र शासनाच्या शिक्षण विभागाने संपूर्ण राज्यात मुख्यमंत्री आपली शाळा सुंदर शाळा हे अभियान राबविले होते. त्यामध्ये एकूण 32 निकष लावून तालुका व जिल्हा स्तरावरील अधिकारी वर्गाकडून त्यांचे गुणांकन करण्यात आले होते. मुख्यमंत्री आपली शाळा सुंदर शाळा अभियानात उमरी येथील मॉडर्न स्कूल शाळेला पहिले बक्षीस मिळाले आहे. शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका सौ अनुराधा कुलकर्णी, संचालिका सानिका संजय कुलकर्णी यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली शाळेतील शिक्षक व विद्यार्थ्यांनी अथक परिश्रम घेऊन या अभियानात भाग घेतला होता. या स्पर्धेत जिल्हा परिषद शाळेचा एक गट आणखी खासगी शाळेचा एक गट निर्माण करण्यात आला होता. त्या प्रत्येक गटातून तालुका व जिल्हा स्तरावर प्रथम, द्वितीय व तृतीय क्रमांक काढण्यात आले. विजेत्या शाळेला प्रथम बक्षीस 3 लाख रुपये, द्वितीय बक्षीस 2 लाख रुपये आणि तृतीय बक्षीस 1 लाख रुपये देण्यात येणार आहेत. या अभियानासाठी शिक्षण विभागातील अनेक अधिकाऱ्यांचे मार्गदर्शन लाभले. अगदी नवीन उपक्रम व कमी वेळात निकषांची पूर्तता करायची होती, परंतु शिक्षक व विद्यार्थ्यांनी परिश्रमपूर्वक सादरीकरण करून शाळेचे नाव उज्ज्वल केले. याबद्दल उमरीचे माजी नगराध्यक्ष संजय कुलकर्णी, गट शिक्षणाधिकारी नंदकुमार कुलकर्णी, विस्तार अधिकारी वसंत जाधव, शंकर बेळकोणे, नुरबाक्ष पाटील, मुनशेट्टे आदींनी शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका अनुराधा संजय कुलकर्णी व त्यांचे सहकार्यांचे कौतुक केले आहे. तरी या संदर्भात प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्यांची भेट घेतली. दिनांक 28 फेब्रुवारी 2024 रोजी RTI न्यूज 24 HD चे मुख्य संपादक फराद बेग या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सविस्तर पाहू शकाल. जिल्ह्यातील व महाराष्ट्रातील दिवसभरातील घडामोडी पाहण्यासाठी RTI न्यूज 24 HD YouTube चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब आणि लाईक करा.
Everyone, my name is Anadia Fatima. My project name is Co-Living Kitty. Roll it, roll.
Yes.
Good morning, my name is Neha Goji and she is my project partner Shruti Jadhav. We are from 9th grade. We made project on how contaction of air occur. Now she will tell you about this.
We require a jar, matchbox, plate and a candle. Just put the water inside the candle and place the candle upon it and burn the candle initially. When we burn the candle, put the glass upon the candle. It burns. This doesn't happen. It burns fluently in the open air and the water contraction of air water rise up.
Thank you. And this is the states of matter. In solid, particles are fully packed, and in liquid there is normal, and gaseous there are many spaces between particles like molecules, atoms, ions.
Why this water is
Hello, myself Sonal Surulwad and she is my project partner Nita Punilkar from grade 8. This is nuclear power plant. You may think what is nuclear power plant, so she will explain.
So you can see this is the nuclear reactor in which the protons are emitted on the atom uranium by which the energy is released. Then this is the boiler tank in which the water gets boiled. Due to the boiling of water, the steam of water comes near steam turbine and it moves like this. Then it goes into electric generator. Then it goes to transmission line, and through the transmission pipeline, it goes to villages, towns, etc. Now further information will be told by Sunil.
The heated water from boiler goes to cooling tower through condenser, which cool the hot water. The cooler water again transfer into boiler for further electricity generation. It is a pure fuel which generates electricity without any pollution. In Germany, 70% electricity obtained from nuclear power plant.
My name is Tazia Kureshi and she is my partner Sandhya Rani Hussain and Samiksha Dattaram Suryanshi. We all are studying in 8th standard. We have made the working model of iChildren. Now my friend will explain further information about iChildren.
As you know, erosion of buildings, bursts, historical monuments, etc. occurs due to acid rain. Due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes leaking of metal and plastic materials, it occurs in water and thereby serious health problems arise. Acidification of soil and water bodies increases due to acid rain. It harms the aquatic organisms and entire forest life. The total ecosystem adversely affected due to acid rain.
By increasing the population, number of vehicles and industries also increases day by day, which causes pollution. This polluted air contains oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. Those oxides mix with rain and forms acids such as sulfuric acid, nitric acid and nitrous acid. This acid mixes with rainwater and comes down as acid rain. As you can see, the acid rain is coming from the soil and the soil is became broken. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Renika Kamlakant Uttarwar. I am from 8th grade. My project name is River Connecting India. As you know, the agriculture is most important factor in India. Most of the people are depend upon the agriculture. Just now we have to connect these two projects from which India get more water. And then look at these two projects. You will see the difference between these two projects before River Connecting India and after River Connecting India. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shruti Masan. My friend name is Rudrani Sneha. My project name is Water Cycle. Water cycle caused by infected, wasted, polluted water. And the water is about caused out to the river, wasted water and industry and factories.
Hello sir, as we know the level of water pollution is increased day to day. We need to have some plan to reduce the water pollution. But what are the ways to reduce the water pollution?
Hello sir, you can observe in our project model, the wastage chemical water of factory is stored in artificial tank and sent it next step for purification or recycling. We can use the recycled water for other purposes. If we manage the recycled water, if we manage the chemical water, then we can reduce the level chemical water.
Good morning sir, myself Sakshi Wadikar. I am from grade 8. My project is animal cell and plant cell. This is a membrane which allows the entry and exit of useful molecules. This is a nucleus which controls center of the cell. This is nucleolus which involved in producing of ribosome. And this is vacuole which stores food, water, etc. This is mitochondria. It is called as powerhouse of cell. Animal cell have more mitochondria than the plant cell. This is lysosome which break down old cell parts. Animal cell and plant cell have same parts, but there are two different parts in plant cell, that is a cell wall and plastids. Plastids which perform photosynthesis process, cell wall which protect the cell from outer environment. Animal cell and plant cell are the building blocks of life.
Good morning sir, myself Adnan Beg and I am from 9th grade. My project is hydraulic brake. When I pass the electric current through the disc, it rotates and I press the switch, water present in it create a pressure on another switch and it stops the disc. I use hydraulic pressure to stop the disc. It can be used in vehicles. Thank you.
Good morning sir, my name is Ganesh Nanda Kishore Verma. I am Good morning sir, my name is Ganesh Nanda Kishore Verma and he is Omkar Pawar. We studying in 8th standard. My made project is water tank alarm. Now explanation information is my friend.
This is our project, sir. Then when our water tank of our home is get filled up like this, then alarm ringing, then we get signal to off the button of motor, then the water is not switch off. When is nowhere in there, the motor is on, we go vacations. Then the water is go, then the water goes to our other savings. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shaurya Uttarar and he is Chaitanya Khande. We are from 8th grade. Our project is water filter. There are 6 jars. In first jar, there is stones which remove the visible impurities. In second jar, there is small stones which remove some pebbles. In third jar, there is sand which remove the minute stones. In fourth jar, there is leaves which remove the bacteria. In fifth jar, there is cotton which remove the left dirt particles. And in sixth jar, there is fresh water which is converted from the dirty water from this project. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Anuradha Chaturikar. I am studying in 7th grade. My project name is hydrogen fuel gas. It is also known as electrolysis of water. Now I add salt in water and stir it. Then setup is as this arrangement.
And I'm from Manchester. My project is when I pass the electric
This arrangement.
and I place the thing, water filtering it the pressure on another thing.
When the electric current passes through it due to current water split to form hydrogen gas. Like this. The bubbles is known as hydrogen gas. Thank you. Myself Snell Zinzore. I am from 7th grade. For this project I require switch, battery, electric wire, motor and metal gong. In this project when I on the switch, the electric current passes through the circuit and DC motor strike on metal gong to produce sound. Good morning. Myself Anushri Penkar. She is my project partner. Latika Mundarwar. We are from 7th grade. We made an electric motor. For making this project, we require fan, DC motor, battery, straw, wire, bottle caps. Now my project partner is continuing. The arrangement of agro instruments as shown in this project. When I on the switch, the electric current pass through motor and fan will rotate. Rotation of fan indicates electric energy get converted into wind energy, which moves the vehicle. Thank you. Good morning, sir. We made the firefighting robot. I am from 7th class. The firefighting robot consists of one pipe, servo motor, fire sensor, the fire sealant kit, and Arduino, which is the head of this. And in this is a water tank, presence of pumping motor and some batteries, wiring. When we start this button, the all systems will start, and the fire sensor, when the fire or heated things is come nearby him, he set pumping motor and the Arduino and says to pumping motor, the pumping motor will be started. Myself, I am from 7th grade. Heated coil thing I require switch. Thank you.
Myself, I am studying 7th grade. I am telling about information of global warming and greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the process of transport to heat and factory smokes and trees cut, factory smoke and greenhouse effect is trees grow and farming, etc. Thank you.
Myself Akash Rikam Shinde. I am studying in 6th grade. Our project name is water cycle. There are 5 types of water cycle: condition, purification, erosion, and transpiration. Surface water get covered water vapor by the heat of sun. Transpiration excess water get covered by the erosion. I am studying in 6th grade. My project name was electromagnet. This project required batteries, nail and pins. This nail was attached to this pin. Thank you.
My name is Rajiv Rakshadari. My name is Shana Mohindere.
My name is Soham Dampurkar.
Our project is made from cardboard, air pressure and syringes. We use syringes for printing and launching the rocket.
If I press this syringe, then rocket ball will launch up.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Sujit sir. We are studying in 6th grade. Today I am telling about solar irrigation system for farming process.
In this model, you can see the sun, solar panel, controller, and bulb. This is sun, which is the ultimate source of energy, which emits light rays continuously. This is solar panel, which is ultimate source of solar energy. This is controller, which control whole pump. It is used for getting water. Now, my project partner Shukran Bodke will tell about its working.
You can see solar energy emitted by sun get trapped in solar panels and converting it into the electric energy which is used for getting water from borewells, wells, ponds, etc. This project will be helpful for reducing the load of energy the fossil fuel getting from the generated by mining process. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Aman Tiwari. Today I will tell about conductor and insulator. Conductor are the material that allow to electric current passes through. So I attach iron to the circuit. Bulb will glow. It means conductor are good conductor of electricity. Insulator are material that do not allow to passes of electricity. So I attach wood to the circuit. Bulb will not glow. It means wood is a bad conductor of electricity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself is Afia Marim and I make a project. My project name is Reduction of Accident and Stop Air Pollution by Robot. This is a traffic signal. It is a very harmful spot because all vehicles come together here and all vehicles stop and start from here at once. So when vehicles start their speed is so high and it causes an accident. We have a sensor in our road. When vehicle comes, their speed is automatically slow. And our country have two big problems. First is car accident and second is air pollution. And first problem is solved by my project and second problem is air pollution. This is a robot. It controls air pollution and also traffic like this. And we must also grow plants around the traffic signal. Thank you.
Myself, Gauri Aju Shinde, she is Payal Patil, my project partner. We are studying 6th grade. We are made a telescope. For making telescope, we require 2 mirror, glue and cardboard. We arrange, as you see in this model, and mirror each corner, and in the phenomena of reflection we are using this model. Now my friend will explain you about its work.
The image of object in front of the telescope fall on this mirror and that mirror reflect that image in another mirror and that other mirror reflect that image in our eye and we will see the clear image of object. So this is use of telescope. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Bhakti Ratna Parke. She is my project partner, Aradhya Marathi, and she is Rohit Abhiswar. We are studying in 6th grade. We made the model of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.
Now my friend will explain you about solar eclipse.
Solar eclipse occur when the moon, sun, and Earth each occur 2 to 5 times in a whole year.
Now she will explain you about lunar eclipse.
The lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is between the sun and moon. It occurs 2 times in a whole year. Thank you.
afternoon, sir. My name is Sanchi Khandalote. She is Pallavi Zizore. We are from grade 5th. We made project on Earth gravitational force inside the Earth. There is presence of gravitational force that hold object things all over inside the Earth and Moon. In which Earth holding the Moon by exerting gravitational force. This gravitational force discovered by the Isaac Newton. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Myself Samruddhi Lingade and she is Aditi Kanode. We are from 5th grade. We made a project which explains frictional force and balancing force. When I side this car on this road, the car will be covered some distance and stop. It stopped due to the friction force between round of wheels of car. Friction force is helpful for getting grip and avoiding sliding for slipper surface. Shoes and slipper have grips for force. On this wooden block, when force applied from both the sides in equal quantity, then wooden block does not move. Such a type of force is called balancing force. If the force from one of this side is greater than object, the object move towards it. Thank you. Good morning. Myself Kushinawati Shri Suryavanshi. We are from grade 5th. We made this project regarding density. We require 2 glass, 2 bowl, 2 lemon and salt. In the lid, when I put the lemon inside a filled water glass, then the lemon will sink into the water. As you see, it means the density of lemon is greater than the density of water. When I add salt into water and stir it well, then I put lemon inside the salty water glass. The lemon will float on water. It means the density of water is greater than the lemon, and the lemon will float on water, and the water is increased by adding salt. Thank you. Good morning. Myself Srinidhi Amewar. She is Srishti Kulkarni. We are from grade 5th. We made a project which explains first law of motion. For this project, we require cardboard and 2 cars. Explain that whenever object is at rest or in a motion, it does not change its position or stop its motion until an unbalanced force acts on it. This car is at a rest position. When I pull it, then it is in a motion. It means that by applied force, car changes state of rest position. Then I apply a force on this car, it is in a motion. When I apply an unbalanced force on the car will be stopped. An object at rest does not change its position until any unbalanced force acts on it. An object in motion does not stop until any unbalanced force acts on it. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Amisha Tiwari. This is my project partner Mamta Shinde. Our project is of save field and save nature.
We have to use the bicycles, public transport, use the unlimited source of energy, that is the solar energy. We have to use and do the plantation of the earth, which reduces fuel save and save nature. Good morning everyone. My name is Aradhya Arinata. I am studying in 4th grade. My project name is Air Occupied Space in the Balloon. My partner name is Janvi. We cannot see the air, but we can feel it. Air have no fixed shape, but it can float freely. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sujit Bisai. I am from 4th grade. My partner name is Piyush. Our project name is Magnetic Force. A magnet attracts other magnets and objects made of steel, iron and nickel. It is a force due to which magnet attracts other magnets. Magnets have 2 poles. One pole is south pole and second pole is north pole. South, south and north are unlike poles. They repel each other. South, north and north, south are like poles. They attract other. Magnets have 2 poles. One pole is south pole and second pole is north pole. Magnets can feel compass. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Shivam Sreshadho. My partner name is Rutu Mugara. I am studying 4th grade. Our project name is Light Traveling Straight Line. To make this project, we collect 3 cardboards, 1 torch light or laser light. Light can reach our eyes only if it has a straight light path to travel. Light gets blocked when it does not have a straight light to path travel. Light हमेशा straight line में travel करती है. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Yuvraj Namdevan Khade. My partner name is Sughosh Jalandhar Deshpande. Our project name is States of Matter. the process in which liquid takes change the solid is called freezing.
लिक्विड ऑइल मत लिक्विड तेल लिक्विड ऑइल
The process or freezing point. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Solid means they have definite shape. Example of solid is ice cube. Solid particles are tightly and packed. Liquid takes the container of shape. Gas occupies space. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ashish Madhuragada. I am studying in 3rd grade. My partner name is Aryan Chiramwar. Our project name is water cycle. Water is important for us. Water is life. Water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, etc. Water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Water cycle is from the contain three states. One state